Hello, this is Dinghuobao, a WeChat-native B2B order request workflow for small wholesalers. It replaces scattered chat messages, phone calls, and spreadsheets with one traceable process, from product selection to fulfillment. Customers start inside a WeChat mini program. They can review products, choose quantities, build an order request, confirm delivery information, submit it, and follow each status change. This is intentionally not a consumer marketplace. Prices are references, while the operator confirms final quantities, delivery, and payment offline. Operators use the web dashboard or the mini program's administrator entry to manage orders, products, customers, inventory, stocktakes, delivery, payment records, and audit logs. The API is built with Express and MySQL and deployed through WeChat Cloud Hosting on Tencent CloudBase. Before OpenAI Build week, the core 3-surface architecture and basic ordering workflow already existed. Commit C5FGA is the documented baseline. During the submission period, 9 dated commits extended the project. All 18 mini-program pages were refactored into a consistent V2 component system. Privacy authorization and customer session recovery were added, and failure, empty, long content, inventory limit, and small screen states were verified. I used Codex with GPT-5.6 in 2 concrete engineering workflows. First, production logs showed that WeChat identity metadata arrived through more than one transport path. I supplied Codex with failing requests, logs, tests, and existing contracts. It helped trace the mismatch to the transport and identity boundary, implement compatible normalization and safe diagnostics, and add focused regression tests. Second, for the 18-page redesign, I gave Codex reference screens, behavior constraints, and existing business logic. Codex mapped shared components, implemented the Refactored, generated regression coverage, and helped compare real WeChat DevTools screenshots at 430 by 932 and 320 by 568 pixels. I reviewed every product decision and rejected changes that altered business behavior. Verification included automated tests, type checks, production builds, live health and API probes, and visual review in WeChat DevTools. The result is a clearer and more resilient order request workflow, with a traceable evidence trail from the pre-event baseline to the build week release. Dinghuobao shows how Codex and GPT-5.6 can turn concrete logs, contracts, screenshots, and tests into reliable engineering progress for a real operational product.